So for this week's episode of 2 Weeks of Adventure, we're up here at Bachelor, skiing with my parents, and Carter's going to be coming tomorrow, my uncle. It's a bluebird day today. It looks absolutely killer outside, and honestly, not that many people are here. It's not like Crystal. It's going to be pretty cool today. So we're gonna do a little waiting around for Summit Express to open. I don't think it's been open in the last like 2 or 3 days because there is no tracks and it looks really, really fun. And my mom's even gonna survive it. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Cloud Chaser. We just did one run on the Summit Express chair, and now we're gonna do some laps on Cloud Chaser because the line got really long on Summit. And anything else? My legs are tired.
It's a really good day.
It's a really good day. It's so nice out here. Bluebird days, can't beat them. Back to this area. Now we're gonna go back to the truck and grab some food. Hopefully a beer if we have any. And yeah, today's just been absolutely banger. We are on our second to last run, and we're gonna get to the bottom of this one and figure out if we're actually gonna do another one or not. And yeah, it's been a gorgeous day today. The clouds have started to come in a little bit, which kind of puts a damper on the mood a little bit. It's actually raining right now. And yeah, it's been a great day with my mom and dad. Tomorrow we're skiing with my dad and Carter, my uncle. So get to the bottom of this chair and see you tomorrow. It's day 2 at Bachelor. Here with my dad and Carter. Still plays behind me on the ground. And we're just skiing today. Bluebird again today, and should be good. Oh, we just took off all of our clothes because it is warm up here. We're on the Summit Express lift right now, headed to the very, very tippy top. The snow is starting to warm up a little bit and get soft. That's the end of this video for 52 weeks of adventure. I totally forgot to create an outro when I was at Bachelor. It was a great weekend with Jordan, Carter, my mom and dad, and my brother. We had a great time. Got to ski Mt Bachelor again, which was a lot of fun. And yeah, if you want to follow along on 52 weeks of adventure, subscribe to the channel, like this video. And comment down below what you did this week. That was rad. And yeah, I guess all there else is to say is I guess I'll see you guys out in the trails, and I'll catch you on the next one.